Ah yes, the Standee. So much more exciting than its flat plane counterpart, the token. And yet, turn it a little bit, and it's like it doesn't exist at all. And yeah, it can't compete with the 3D-ness of a plastic miniature. But yet, there's something so nice about not having to open a box to the little faces of unpainted miniatures glaring at you, judging you for not painting them. So, on today's episode of Upgrade DIY, we're going to make 3 different types of custom standees. Okay, this is a very simple one today, but a great way to add a little personal touch to a game that you already love. So if you want to make a standee of an existing character, then start by finding the image online and copy and paste the image into a drawing program like Google Drawings. Then scale the image to the size you need. Draw a box around your image and then mirror the image vertically in a line underneath. Then duplicate the image as many times as you need. Print out this image and then glue it onto some cereal box cardboard using a glue stick or spray glue if you have it. Using a knife, cut a rough box around your artwork. Then cut exactly along the mirror line. Glue one piece to another layer of cardboard. Trim off the extra, then glue on the back piece. Once the glue has dried, using a sharp knife, cut out the standee. Don't try to cut curved inside corners, it won't look clean. Just do straight lines and a simple shape. Then use the side of a pen or marker to round off the edges and you're done. But another option is to take a photo of someone to use as a character in the game. Try to find a location that has a plain background. Add a light from behind as well to help the subject stand out. Download your photo, then follow the same steps as before. But another option is you can draw your own character. First, do your illustration on a piece of cardstock in pencil. Then fold inwards along your ground line and rub the paper to transfer the pencil to the other side. Finish up your drawing on both halves, then glue to the cardboard and carry out the same steps as before. But if you want to enhance your standee even further, I provided templates for a version with a moving mouth. Wait, what? I'm David and I'll see you on the next episode. These are not useful upgrades. I didn't say they were going to be useful. I said they were going to be silly.